Hello, this is my submission of Project Zero for CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript. I have built a simple website using HTML, CSS and Bootstrap. The website is in the form of a portfolio website. The website has multiple pages that you can navigate to it using the navigation bar on the top. The website also has footer at the end of the page, which display brief description of the site and the credit at the very end. We can navigate to the other pages using the links in the navigation bar. Here we have projects page, which shows the projects that I have made and links to their repository on GitHub. We can also see the about page. And finally we have the contact page, which shows a contact form alongside with the contact information. Another feature of this website is that it's responsive, which means that pages look different on different screens. We can test that by resizing the browser window and see how the elements in the page move to fit on different screens. Thank you for watching. My name is Alwaleed. And this is CS50 Web Programming.